Here are 9 random interesting facts. Part 2. 1. Cows have best friends. Research has shown that cows become stressed and their heart rate increases when they are separated from their close companions. They also have distinct personalities and can form strong bonds with specific individuals in the herd. Oh my 6-7. 2. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. The air around a lightning strike can reach temperatures of around 27,000 grados Fahrenheit compared to the sun's surface at about 5,500 grados 9,9 grad Fahrenheit. 3. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. This unique adaptation prevents the droppings from rolling away, helping them mark their territory on rocks and logs. The cube shape is formed in the wombat's unusually long, slow digestive tract. 4. There is a town in Norway where it is illegal to die. In the small town of Longyearbyen, people who are too sick or old are sent to mainland Norway to live out their final days because of the permafrost. Bodies buried in the local cemetery don't decompose, attracting scavengers. 5. Your brain is sometimes more active when you are asleep than when you are awake. During REM rapid eye movement sleep, the part of your brain responsible for learning, memory, and emotion, the amygdala and hippocampus, is highly active, processing information and consolidating memories from the day. 6. Koalas have fingerprints almost identical to humans. They are so similar that even forensic experts have difficulty telling them apart under a microscope, despite koalas being marsupials and humans being primates. 7. The 100 Years' War actually lasted 116 years. It was a series of conflicts fought between England and France from 1337 to 1453, and it was only named the 100 Years' War later by historians for convenience. 8. There is a species of jellyfish that is biologically immortal. The Torritopsis dohrnii can revert its cells back to their earliest form, a polyp, when injured or stressed, essentially starting its life cycle over again. It can do this indefinitely, though they are still often eaten by predators. 9. The inventor of the Pringles can is now buried in one. Frederick Bohr, who designed the iconic cylindrical can and lid in 1966, requested that his ashes be buried in a Pringles can. His family honored his wish, placing part of his ashes in a original-style can